When a pipe bursts or drains clog, it's time to call in the experts. And this is where the plumbing business comes in. Every homeowner and a business needs plumbing service, whether it's an emergency repair, routine maintenance, or new installation. Plumbing business thrives on immediate demand and regular customers. With IFBC, you can tap into top-notch plumbing brands that offer comprehensive support, scalable operations, and reliable systems to run your business smoothly and grow fast. Brand that helps you recruitment, training your employees, and make your team expert to handle your day-to-day work. So, if you don't have the plumbing experience, no problem. As a business owner, you just have to focus on managing your business while the team of experts is going to handle the technical side. Book your free IFBC consultation today and become the owner of a business that will always be in demand.